Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margaret, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and tapping on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. Today I have received a special gift from one of our food seller friends, and that is from the MOONCHAI milk tea. So they gave me complimentary milk teas, flavored matcha and creamy Okinawa. Grabe ka generous ilahang black pearls. And bugnaw pa siya, guys, despite it coming from Mabolo. I think it was Mabolo in Cebu City. Ice has not melted completely and it's really still cold, and I'll be tasting this in a bit. And also they sent me free popcorn. I transferred it into a bowl. I ordered from them 4 corn dogs. I actually saw this from Doc Xavier's post, and that is The Dentist is Out, ang iyahang YouTube channel. I saw this from his Facebook account, and I was really curious because I have never tasted corn dog before. So my thoughts about this is that corn dog, gi-cover of corn ang hot dog, but I might be wrong. So I'm gonna be trying it now. I can see that it's covered with mustard and ketchup, so let me take my first bite out of this corn dog. Of course, I ordered 4 because I have to share it with my family. Let's go ahead and take a bite. Knowing that this is only 65 pesos, pero baga na kayo siya. So you know that for a fact that you'll be getting carbs from this, I think, floury part here. Instead of getting the usual hot dog sandwiches, you'll be getting a hot dog coated with, I think this is flour. I have not really researched or asked them, but this is how it looks inside. My sister Marian has tasted this before, and she said that this is plainly pancake mix covering the hot dog, and then there is ketchup and mustard to add flavor, and I can say nalami siya, guys. The mustard and the ketchup adds more flavor to it, pero lami na daan iyang hot dog. And I can taste something pud sa iyang katong mix na gi-cover sa iyaha. 65 pesos. Dako na kay siya, and I can say na I'll be recommending this to my friends. You can try it out. Contact MOONCHAI milk tea. I'll be tagging them as well. Of course, they also gave me barbecue flavored popcorn. So in case you want to have movie nights, this is the perfect store you need to contact. They have corn dogs, they have popcorn, and of course they have our favorite milk tea. So I love Okinawa. I'm not really a matcha person, so I'm gonna let my sister try this out. Let me try out the one that I like. And Kitty took all the straws. Oh, okay. Thank you, Kitty. Ilahang mga black pearls, wala nagpilit. Nindot siya lang kayo sahay. Sa sobra niya ka-sticky, kay magpilit ang iyang mga balls. Ilang balls kay grabe ka soft. And there are no parts, wala siya parts na gahi. Dili pud plain ang lasa sa ilahang black pearls. There's sweetness in it, and a milk tea kay sakto ra pud iyang kitang ison. Murag mahurot na ko ni. I did not tell them the percentage of sweetness that I would love my milk tea to have, but thank you so much. Sakto ra kayo ang pagkatamis sa milk tea na inyong gihatag sa ako. I love the creamy Okinawa, guys. Nami siya. The matcha, I won't be reviewing it because I'm giving it to my sister. I'm not really a matcha person, as I said a while ago. But I'm Oh, yeah. So, caramelized sugar with the black pearls, perfect sweetness, and grabe, you should try this one. So, there are a lot of milk tea brands, and I think same siya quality sa mga mahalon na mga milk teas that you buy from online stores. I'll be indicating the price here below and also in the description box. Kung asa mo makapalit aning MOONCHAI milk tea, of course they have a Facebook page. I'll be tagging them as well. And I think that's it. So, if wala pa mo ka-try sa corn dog, you should try it because lamig gud siya ako ginihok to ng usa. Di ka mapulaan. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit a like. This is just a very short vlog of just sharing to you how the corn dog tastes like in reality. And if you have any questions about it, leave them in the comments below. And if you want to show your support to my channel, click on the subscribe button and tap on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you order from MOONCHAI milk tea. Thank you guys. Bye. See you in my next vlog. Thank you.